Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a fiberglass project I did that turned out amazing. My body and paint buddy quoted me $2,500 to do all the fiberglass and paint work, so I had to do the fiberglass work all myself. I use the West System fiberglass resin. I pick up small paper coffee cups from Dunkin' Donuts and use popsicle sticks from Michael's to mix my resin. Small acid brushes or small paint brushes work well for brushing on resin to saturate the fiberglass mat. I have found chopped strand fiberglass mat works better than woven mat for feathering and repairs. Woven mat is a great alternative for strengthening areas that don't need a lot of feathering in. You need 80 grit up to 600 to 800 grit sandpaper to get the surface ready for primer and paint. A small detail hand sander helps a lot for getting into tight areas and following contours. I'm going to show you the before and after photos together so you can see how bad the damage was and how well it turned out with a lot of hard work. Two helpful hints when doing fiberglass are you should tape off and cover any areas you don't need to fix, and don't grind away too much of the existing contour because you need the factory body lines intact to make it look right. When I finished the fiberglass work, my buddy took over the remaining surface prep and completed the paint work for $1,200. It was well worth it. This ski was a 2019 Yamaha FX SVHO, so the paint and body work needed to look perfect. When it was done, I was even amazed. Please post any comments below about what you think of mine and my buddy's work. Here are a few of the pictures of the rest of the ski so you can see how good the ski looked overall. The last finishing touch I felt was a great addition to this ski was a red anodized bolt kit from my buddy David at PWC Brackets. If you want to pick up a bolt kit from him for your ski, check out pwcbrackets.com. He also sells custom brackets to mount Bluetooth speakers economically to your ski. We actually added a few extra anodized bolts to the ski to dress it up even more, so don't be surprised if the kit you get doesn't have all the ones you see on this ski. If you like this video or just found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to support my channel so I can keep on making cool, informative videos for the community.